I've tested these TradingView indicators on the Ethereum price chart, and the winning ratio was close to 100%. All these winning trades were found in the span of 1 month, since the time frame is 5 minutes. This method of trading seems to find perfect trade entries in a trending market and cancel all fake signals during consolidation. There is no doubt that this is one of the most accurate indicator strategies on my channel, if not the best. It uses an improved MACD indicator that is 10 times better than the old one. I highly suggest you watch this video all the way through so that you can make the same profits from trading. Traders, if you enjoy my content, please like this video and subscribe to Magic Indicator Strategies. On this channel, I share the most advanced trading strategies explained in the simplest way possible so that even a beginner can learn them. Before I show you how to add these indicators to the chart, I want you to understand the logic behind this strategy. First of all, it is worth mentioning that using multiple confirmations before validating a buy or sell signal is one of the safest way to approach trading. You see, there are many trading strategies out there that require only 1 or 2 conditions to be in place for initiating a trade. Simple conditions like having the price closed above or below the moving average, or a signal issued by a supertrend indicator, don't give you much of an edge in trading. Those types of strategies have an average win ratio of 30 to 40%, which is very low. I believe a trading strategy shouldn't be as simple as that. Traders should always consider price action before making any decisions about buying or selling the stock. Supply and demand laws should never be ignored. So why is this trading strategy so accurate? Well, as we mentioned at the beginning of this video, the strategy uses an indicator similar to MACD, but a lot more accurate. Here's how it works. At first, you might not notice much of a difference between this MACD and the old one. Both have a MACD and a signal line, a histogram with positive and negative values. However, one feature that stands out in this new MACD is the range that filters out pretty much all fake signals. Normally, the MACD gives a buy signal when a MACD line crosses above the signal line. Exactly the opposite is true for a sell signal. These alerts might be accurate in a trending market, but once a consolidation stage begins, the indicator starts producing many losing signals. An improved MACD, on the other hand, confirms a buy or sell signal only if the cross occurs outside the range. For example, a buy signal is valid if a bullish cross between the MACD and the signal lines happens below the red plot. The signal appears in a form of a green shape. To me, this indicator looks like a combination of MACD and RSI. Its signals are quite accurate, but we must still combine them with price action. That's why we have this multi-time frame support and resistance indicator on the chart. This all-in-one tool shows supply and demand levels on high time frames, which is extremely useful. It gives traders a real view of the market. For example, we're currently on the 5-minute chart. Let's enable support and resistance for the current time frame. As you can see, these levels aren't strong enough for the market to respect them. They get broken by the price very often. Now let's enable 4-hour key levels. It is immediately apparent that the price is struggling to break through these barriers. These levels perfectly show the range in which the price has been moving. They also keep you out of the trades you might want to take during these short-term price fluctuations. These levels on the chart ensure that you buy when the stock is relatively cheap and sell when the stock is expensive. Along with these supply and demand levels, the indicator also has buy and sell signals, which will be very useful for our strategy. Traders, if you're looking for a cryptocurrency exchange with low fees and highly accurate trading bots, Pionex is the one I recommend. You can start making passive income from trading by creating your own fully customizable trading bot, just like we did in our previous videos. Pionex also has 16 built-in trading bots and dozens of robotic trading strategies shared by other traders. You can simply copy their signals and start making money with minimal risk and trading experience. Sign up for Pionex today and thank me later. Okay, now let's discuss the strategy's entry and exit rules. For a buy trade, we need to ensure the following is met. First, the price is near the 4-hour demand level. The candle bar can be inside the level, just make sure it does not exceed it. Second, look for a buy alert issued simultaneously by the chart indicator and the MACD. Sometimes signals don't appear at the same time. Allow 2 to 3 candle bars for the signals to catch up. If you need some extra safety when opening a long trade, check the overall market trend on the dashboard. If the trend is positive on high time frames, it is safe to open a buy position. Set the stop-loss order below the recent swing low and target a minimum of 2 times the risk. No more than 5% of your account should be risked per position. A good way to eliminate losing trades is to move the stop-loss to break even once half of the profit is made. Here's an example of a slightly riskier long entry. Even though the trend on all time frames looks bearish, the market approached a strong support level, which caused price reversals in the past. So we can expect the market to bounce off this level and hit our profit target. Both indicators issued a buy signal within one candle bar. In a situation like this, you can choose to wait for a positive trend to appear on the 4-hour time frame before opening a long position. This way, you'll maximize the chances of a winning trade. When considering short trades, look for a 4-hour resistance retest. Wait for a sell signal issued by the MACD and the chart indicator. The signals don't necessarily need to occur at the same time. Just make sure they both appear within 2 to 3 candlesticks. Set the stop-loss order above the recent swing high and target 2 times the risk. Let's see how this trade plays out. Alright, I hope you understand the strategy. Let me demonstrate how to install these indicators on your price chart. First, open any chart on TradingView and click on the indicators. Search for the first indicator called MACD Fake Filter by Hassan Rifat. Keep the indicator's settings default. For the second tool, add Easy Algo Vi9. We'll leave the indicator link in the comments. Along with 3 premium technical analysis tools, you will get access to a VIP community of traders who share their ideas, strategies, profits, and trading signals. If I had an opportunity like this to learn about trading back in the day when I started, I definitely would have taken it. It would have saved me a lot of time and money. After installing Easy Algo Indicator to the chart, open its settings and disable current time frame levels. Enable 4-hour key levels instead. Set the quantity to 3 levels. Scroll down and disable the golden pocket, candle coloring, reversal signals, and the volume profile. Done, the indicators are ready to use. Be sure to backtest and forward test this trading strategy on different assets and time frames. This style of trading is suitable for all markets with high liquidity, such as cryptocurrencies, stocks, and Forex. Feel free to change the indicator settings if necessary. Perhaps you'll find better ones. If you have questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching. Till next time.